Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to delete sheets in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to delete any sheet, so this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created many sheets. Okay, here in the bottom you will see, you can see. Okay, so I have created many sheets and now want to delete all these sheet. So what you have to do, you have to just here press in the bottom, you have to just press right click here, then here you will see many options: insert sheet, delete, rename, move or copy, view code, all these things you will see. Okay, so now if you want to delete this, just click on delete and you will see this sheet is deleted. Okay, again just click on delete and the sheet will be deleted. So like this you can delete sheets in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.